Welcome to BTS Disco. Here are the biggest difference for BTS when they sing in Korean versus English. Each language has different goals. BTS has once revealed the positive and negative aspects of singing or rapping in English instead of Korean. However, they recently revealed to Weverse magazine that there are many differences between the two to take into consideration. Like permission to dance, singing song in English comes with much more preparation. Instead of simply focusing on singing or rapping well, things like pronunciation are taken into consideration. When they are recording in Korean, it's enough just they will sing well. But when English songs, they have to be aware of their pronunciation while recording as well. So there are a lot of changes and edits even after the whole song was recorded. Kim revealed that in addition to this, BTS puts a lot of practice into perfecting their own parts. It's not uncommon for the members to request the lyrics ahead of time, so by the time recording begins, all of the bugs have been ironed out. There are more pros and cons to using English language rather than Korean. Suga once revealed that he breathes more while rapping in English, which makes it more difficult. However, Jungkook said it's easier to sing in its head voice in English since to speak Korean with a lower tone. BTS Jungkook explains why he sings differently in English than he does in Korean. He sounds amazing in any language. BTS Jungkook is an amazing vocalist no matter the language he is singing in. Jungkook is also aware of the vocal variations required to sing in different languages, which is a testament to his musical talent and skills. In a recent interview of Weverse magazine, Jungkook revealed why his vocal tone is different in Korean and English. Jungkook explained that sometimes you have to bear down a little on your words to talk in Korean, and that he speaks in a low voice because he is from Busan. Jungkook also said that he finds it easier to use his head voice in English than in Korean. It's easy to use your head voice when you sing in English language as well, but it can be uncomfortable. While in Korean, if you try to sing higher using your head voice, it can sound a bit nasally sometimes. But at the same time, it can be hard to break old habits when I sing in English since I have always been singing in Korean. If you have noticed slight changes in Jungkook's voice between BTS Korean songs and their English releases, you are picking on the clear differences he deliberately added in to fit each language while delivering an amazing vocal performance. Thank you so very much for watching my video.